Huntingdon, Tennessee is typical small-town America, and you know you're going to find a good diner in small-town America. So good morning, it's David Dominé the Bluegrass Peasant, and kind of hungry for breakfast. So I'm on the road looking for something interesting for breakfast this morning. I'm in Tennessee. Just a couple minutes from the charming main square, you'll find a diner known as AJ's All-Star Cafe. It's small and no frills, and right away you can tell this is a place where the locals hang out. They serve breakfast and lunch 7 days a week, and you're going to find your typical diner fare on this menu. Of course, there's going to be a bit of a southern flair to it. I am tempted to go with the hog jowl breakfast, but I think I'll go for something a little lighter. I've always been a fan of biscuits. And my 3 biscuits have arrived. They look good. There's the bologna, country ham, and then it looks like they forgot the fried egg and cheese off the tenderloin biscuit. Yeah, it was just a tenderloin biscuit, not a tenderloin egg and cheese biscuit, but oh well. I still got bologna. Bologna gets a kind of bum rap. I don't get it. Foodies love mortadella, and this is basically mortadella, so if you like mortadella, you should love fried bologna. If you're in Carroll County, Tennessee, make sure to stop by for an early bite at AJ's All-Star Cafe. The food is good and inexpensive, and the locals are friendly.